Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the golden harpoon. First, let's outline the main steps involved. We'll focus on the most efficient strategies to earn this prestigious item quickly. Preparing your ship and understanding key mechanics will significantly speed up your progress. This method emphasizes smart play over endless grinding, making the process enjoyable and rewarding for everyone. To efficiently earn your golden harpoon, prioritize harpooning valuable loot. Shipwrecks are excellent sources, often containing multiple items to retrieve. Actively participate in world events, as these frequently drop high-value treasures. Remember, every item you harpoon counts towards your goal. Working together with your crew to quickly secure loot makes a huge difference in your overall progress. Maximizing your harpoon count involves smart play. Consider using a rowboat to ferry items from difficult-to-reach spots, allowing your ship to stay mobile. Prioritize smaller, easily harpooned items like skulls and gems, as these add up quickly. While combat can be fun, avoiding unnecessary engagements keeps you focused on your harpooning objective, ensuring a steady flow of progress towards your golden harpoon. To complete your golden harpoon journey, consistently apply these efficient methods. Track your progress through the in-game commendations menu to see how close you are. Remember, persistence is key, but with these strategies, you'll find the process much smoother. Once you've unlocked it, equip your new golden harpoon with pride and enjoy showing off your hard-earned accomplishment to other pirates on the seas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.